So how's your omelette? How do you like it?
Good morning, Philippines!
Ito tayo ng fried rice and corned beef. Sarap ganito, no? Kapag may tanim pala, no? Sa likuran ng bahay mo. And then ang ganda ng feeling kapag may harvest galore na mangyayari. Yung sa grocery store, yung Asian store, yung pinuntahan ko, meron silang Argentina na corned beef at meron din silang yung isang brand ng corned beef. And with sunny side up egg, you know, ang sarap nun, guys. Fried rice, sunny side up egg on top. But before that, before tayo mag-fried, do you want ham in your egg? With the fried rice? Do you want fried? Hala, do you want fried? So what do you want to eat?
Well, if you mix something in eggs, put the ham in eggs. I don't want fried rice.
Okay, I can make something for you. Yeah, not fried rice. I will put ham. Harvest tayo, guys. Ito yung lettuce ko. Ang ganda ng lettuce. Oh, buhay na buhay. Yan, buhay sila. Ganito tayo mag-harvest. Look. And then, ito siya. Look, ito lang. Okay na to. Hindi ko lang kunin yung isa. Yeah, first harvest sa ano. Green kasi na siya. So, yan. Let's go. Yan, magmukbang tayo. Breakfast mukbang. Breakfast mukbang tayo. I need a tripod, really. Like a tripod is strong because this one is weak na. So, gagawa ako ng pagkain ko. Gagawa din ako ng pagkain ni Mister. Tignan natin na walang uod. Wala namang uod. Green onion. Fried rice. And fried rice at saka yung beef. Good girl, Rox. You eat your din. You want some bunsi? Ham yung kinat ko, guys, for Tommy. Para sa omelet niya. Dagdagan ko siya konti. Para masaya yung asawa natin kasi nagtampo. Sabi pa niya, ba't binigay mo yung ham sa aso? Kapag magluluto ka ng something sa akin, hindi mo lagyan ng ham. Nagtampo si Mister. And lagyan ko din yung tomato, yung omelet niya. Kasi, ang ganda pa namang tomato ito. I think meron akong ganito. I think nagtatanim ako ng ganito. So, I think lang naman. So, cut natin ito, guys. Kukunin ko lang itong liso. Okay. Kinuha ko lang yung liso, guys. So, yan. Wala na siyang liso. So, lutuin ko lang siya.
pay for applications for the less immigrants applying. And yet you guys still can't get your work done. Well, figure that out.
So there's no people working there, or just
I
like...
have no idea. There's 20 minutes.
Okay, hon, it's your omelet. Start eating it while it's hot. Kain, breakfast. Here's my food, guys. Yan siya. And fried rice. And egg. You had this before in the Philippines. Every morning, remember? Nung nandun kami sa Pilipinas, guys, yung breakfast namin doon is, Filipino breakfast. Kami eat it. He doesn't say, I don't want it. And of course, coffee. Hala, why you put... Halabag, I don't have a bread. Ang sarap.
So what? I've been waiting all the time and no bread?
Oh my god, this corned beef, guys. I miss the corned beef.
What do you say to people that say, well, New York was one of the hardest hit areas, and I know Albany's a long way from New York City, so Governor Cuomo's in the middle of it. They kind of make an excuse for this. What do you say to that?
I don't think that that's an excuse. New York was hit hard according to the numbers, but I still don't think that that's an excuse to give up civil liberties.
Do this in April. He had a message.
Egg and rice.
Remind you what he said.
And we're going to work.
Go take a job as an essential worker. Do it tomorrow. Take a job as an essential worker.
People aren't hiring.
No, there are people hiring. You do your job as an essential worker. So now you can go to work. You can be an essential worker and you're not going to kill anyone.
Oh, you're going to kill.
I'm going to have this. Let's see if he'll eat it, okay? So why they're attacking Cuomo now?
Oh. Because I think he should open up more of the state. Rate of
Died.
yeah, people getting and dying, but they said that he sent infected people into nursing homes with no infected people.
Oh my god.
A lot of businesses are going to reopen, and they're saying that they will. I don't know what the ramifications will be for those businesses. I hope that Governor Cuomo leaves that alone. Everything in New York City is terrible. De Blasio is really done a number on New York City. I mean, it's terrible. But I do hope, and I encourage all business owners to reopen anyway, because that's your right.
Well, and if you don't want to go to those businesses, it is also your right to stay at home, which is the ultimate corollary in this entire thing. We are still, at least for now, barely a free country. Kara Catherine, all right, well, some in the media rushing for cover for Joe Biden.
Like government is rushing to be open, right? What happened?
Well, now you're gonna start seeing all political.
I don't have a bread up here.
You're about to go downstairs and get a bread, so some piece of bread.
Han, leave it there, Han. Take care of the son. Han,
Yeah.
leave it. Take care of him. I feel bad.
All right, little bug. I will go get you bread.
He's kind of like confused. What happened now?
I will go get you.
Si Habs kasi nasana yan every morning. Na parang laro ba? Ang sarap ng breakfast, guys. Namiss ko talaga to. Lagyan ko sana, wala akong potato. Lagyan ko sana ng potato. Ang aga namin nag-breakfast, guys. 7:30. Breakfast vlog po ito, guys. Sana nagustuhan ninyo. And he's waiting and he's behind you. He knows.
Yeah, he came to follow me to see what I was doing. Then when he saw the bag, he got all excited.
I know it's weird. I'm eating Dada's doing bread. I know, it's not the morning routine. Man, look. Sarap, kain pa ako eh. You make me feel so bad.
No, wait, I can't. It's toasting as fast as it's toasting. Nothing you can do with it.
Sarap ng coffee mix with this. Okay guys, thank you guys so much for watching sa breakfast time natin. Sarap kasi vlog ko, tapos sabi ko, naisipan ko, sige, mag-ano tayo, breakfast mukbang. Salamat. Ang sarap kasi guys. So how's your omelette? How do you like it?
It's good, but it could have used some cheese.
Yeah, guys, he wants cheese with his omelette. Everything is need to be cheesy.